Jai Bhim all of you. I am Nipun Wagmare from Nagpur. Today I am going to speak about dear Baba Saheb. Dear Baba Saheb, you are the reason I love you. Because today 14 April, I love to speak about your dedication towards the India. You left the world, but your value and your work has stayed back. Only you are the one person has changed our obelisk mindset. How? I like to tell you, everyone know that you are the symbol of knowledge. You are the master in 64 subjects, 9 languages and all major religion in the world. I would like to tell you some events about Baba Saheb. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 at the mountain of Madhya Pradesh. In 1896, his mother died. It was a quite rarity for his Mahar caste. In 1897, he became only untouchable to enroll at Alpha High School, as was custom. In 1906, he was arranged to be married to a 9-year-old girl, Ramabai. In 1907, he passed his matriculation exam and then he entered the Alpha College. In 1912, he obtained his degree of political science in economy. In 1930, he gained the Baroda State Scholarship to study at Columbia University. He passed his MA in June 1915. In 1916, he moved to London, where he enrolled at bar at Graz and also at the London School of Economics. In 1917, he had to return to India to serve Baroda State Military. In 1918, he became the professor of political science at the Sydney College in Mumbai. In 1920, Ambedkar became increasingly conquered and active about his plight of his fellow caste members. In 1921, he had completed his master's degree. In 1923, he had completed Doctor of Science in Economics. Do you know that? What are the contributions of Baba Saheb towards the India? Hold your breath. I will tell you. Employment exchange, employees insurance, working as child to aid, maternity leaves, compulsory recognition trade-off unions, dairy and salons, paid holidays, health insurance, Negri Strike Act, Provident Fund, Labour Welfare Fund, Technical Training Scheme, Central Irrigation Commission, Provision of Phoenix Commission, Right to Vote, Indian Statistical Law, Central Technical Power Board, Hirakunj Dam, Damodar Valley Project, Orissa River, Bhakra Nangal Dam, the Son River Valley Project, the last but that is not least, Reserve Bank of India. That's why in 1990 he got the Bharat Ratna. In 2nd February 1913, his father died. In 2012, he got the greatest Indian award. That's why I proudly say once again, Jai Bhim. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
ఈ ఛానల్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని నొక్కడం మర్చిపోకండి.